Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in Monopoly Go. No jailbreaker computer needed. So let me just open up the game, guys, and show you what's going on in my account. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see. And as you can see, guys, I'm super rich. I have unlimited spins and money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, I'm making tons of money. This is super cool. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So it's pretty insane here, as you guys can see. This is super cool. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website, monodicerolls.com. So let me just type that in right here. It's monodicerolls.com. So once you're on the site, we need to press play, and we get 5 attempts, and we need to get 3 of the same amount, and we can win. So I'm going to go ahead and press play. As you can see, it says fast and free, and you got some testimonials, and we just need to get 3 of the same. So we need to enter our username. So let me just go ahead and put that in right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And now it's going to search for my account. And once it finds your account, you need to wait for it to load and press play. So now we get 5 attempts to win. I am a hopeful person, so let's go ahead and spin and see if we get it. One. Come on, let's just go on the first try. Come on. No. Oh, we lost. Let's go ahead and try again, though. So I'm going to try again, and let's see what happens. Alright, nothing works out. Oh my gosh, guys, 3,200. As you can see, I won, guys. So this is super cool. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load here. As you can see, it says nice, you did it. So it's going to synchronize the data. So just be patient and let it do its thing here, as you can see. Alright, so we're just going to let it load. So anyways, guys, once it is done, you have to do a verification, which is really easy. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This is the final step, and it sends the dice rolls into your account. So we need to go ahead and press get it, and now it's going to load, and we're just going to download and see if we're poor or if we're rich. And the spins should come in close to immediately, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out. This actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. Get the word out. It's super cool, guys. It actually works. So yeah, I enjoyed this tutorial. I haven't had any problems whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and peace out.